Today we're going to do a cabin air filter replacement on our Lexus IS 300 hybrid. It's a 2015 model. The cabin air filter is located at the back of the glove box. So first thing you need to do is just pull up on this small shelf on one side and then unclick from the left hand side. The cabin air filter is behind this cover, so just remove the cover, and the cabin air filter tray is just here. Just push in on the two clips either side and remove your old cabin air filter. The old cabin air filter just lifts out of the tray. These are just the thin fabric filters they put in. And on the Lexus, there's a modification you'll need to do. You need to remove this piece of plastic to allow our filter to sit flat in the base. So you just have to remove this piece of plastic. Just remove this piece of plastic just by trimming it off. Same on the other end. So, and then just remove it and remove it. You can remove these too. They're no longer needed. So just modify your tray so it looks like that. Just slide in your new cabin air filter. Red acrylic base on the bottom. Red acrylic base on the bottom. Just slide it under the tabs like so. Same on the other side. Same on the other side, so that the filter sits underneath the tabs all the way around. This is what your finished filter will look like. The supports that you removed are no longer needed because our filter sits on its own solid base. So once you've done the modification, slide your cabin air filter all the way in until it clicks. Reinstall your cover with the clips on the bottom. Reinstall your parcel shelf inside the glove box. Locate it on the left hand side first. And then just push it down until it locks. Close your glove box and the job's done.